What's good, YouTube? Today in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to unlock your curl pattern and get some curls. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. First, what you want to do is drench your hair with some water and then add some leave-in conditioner and pick it out. This is what I'm using. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going to add some of the leave-in conditioner. Get my hair shaved? Nope. Not at all. My hair got longer, guys. No cap. This is the bag. Nope. Alright, now for detangling. Ordinary. You know what I'm saying? Pick it out gently, not super hard, and work your way. Alright, so now I'm done detangling. I'm gonna grab some Eco Styler gel and just grab some gel and go like this and rake it through all around the head. My hair's probably not even moving. See that in the back? Yes, sir. This is what it's looking like. Crazy, eh? I'm gonna grab the diffuser. I'm gonna let it dry and then show you guys. Yo, this is the end of the video. See, it's looking neat, crisp. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the end of the video. If y'all like it, if you found it helpful, let me know down below. Leave any questions. I'll try my best to answer you guys. You know what I'm saying? Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.